Hi, let's continue our tabletop sculptural exercises. We have made a cube, and actually cube, something rectangular, the right angle is an intuitive shape that we are used to. Like our tables are rectangular, houses, windows, everything rectangular, so we are used to it, and our hands most often tend to do something rectangular. But if you try to make just arbitrary angles, like something else, let's think about something else, not right angle, but something another angles. What will we get to? We will get to several other angles, you see, and let's try to move in an arbitrary direction, a direction of some arbitrary shape. Well, I created some kind of prism, yeah, and well, at first it was a little bit slanted. Let me keep it slanted so that it won't be as straight as just parallel prism. And again, here if you don't succeed to make straight planes, like if you miss the plane, well, here maybe don't try to correct it and just make two planes from it. And you see, I'm now getting a very slanted prism where all my angles are different. Yes, and in order to make it faster, I'm hitting stronger. Okay, well, because I'm not aiming at some particular shape, so if I make it a little bit different, then it's okay. Now I want to make these angles a little bit sharper, so like I have three planes that meet here at the top. So I take three fingers, 1, 2 and 3, and I move them towards the point together. I'm not trying to make it like this. Think, how can I shape these points? I just with one instrument, with one tool, I take three tools, three planes, and I press all three of them. So you see, and then I make some fixing, some hitting, so that I make the planes plane again, and I'm going to the next one, you see, and again I'm fixing it, and all the rest. You see, I'm training my hands to make it fast and more or less exact. I have three fingers, you see, all the time I have three fingers. Maybe it's easier to these fingers, maybe these fingers, but there should be three fingers that are shaping your corner. You see, here, here, and here. I made it again, and if I want to sharpen the edge, then I take two flat tools, two fingers, and press them towards each other a little bit, and here as well. And then you see I am getting to some kind of arbitrary but rather interesting form. So at the end, what are we going to do from it? What does it look like? Let's leave it like this. It is really arbitrary. Maybe next time we will find out some meaning for it. You see? That's it for now. Bye bye.